So you like the idea of carrying a multi-tool, but you don't want to strap a full-size unit to your belt, nor do you want one weighing down your pocket that may already be occupied with a pen, a knife, phone, wallet, keys, flashlight, or all of the above. Believe us, we understand completely. EDC can quickly get bulky on person, no matter how convenient having these tools on your person can be. What may be a great alternative is a much smaller, much lighter keychain multi-tool. Given this predicament, we've rounded up our top keychain multi-tool favorites to show just how much utility these highly pocketable units can actually provide. So let's dive right in with our first pick from Nite Ize. Naturally, for something that's going to take a beating amidst your sharp keys, quite a few folks aren't going to be super inclined to shell out more than $10 for a keychain multi-tool, and we don't blame them in the least. So here's our best affordable keychain multi-tool suggestion, the Nite Ize DoohicKey, a thin 5-in-1 blacked out keyring edition made from a single piece of stainless steel. And here's what you get: a box cutter, a bottle opener, a wrench with 3 sizes, 1/4 inch, 5/16 of an inch, and 3/8 of an inch, a ruler with both inches and centimeters, and a wide flathead screwdriver. You could just as easily say 6-in-1, as we think this end, the flathead screwdriver, could certainly operate as a pry tool as well, and they don't consider the carabiner, which you can use to attach this guy to a keychain, as a dedicated tool. This one's for the blacked out EDC fans. The Gerber Shard, with a price point of just $7, uses a titanium nitride coating that's smoother and arguably more durable than CRKT for their 7-in-1 keychain multi-tool that should stay looking like new even with regular use. Measuring up at approximately 2.75 inches, the Shard maintains a curved, ergonomic shape toward one end that makes it easy to use the tools despite its size. And speaking of tools, it builds in 7 of them: a pry bar, a small flathead driver, a wire stripper or puller, large flathead driver, a bottle opener, a lanyard hole, and a cross driver. One thing to note is that keychain multi-tools are generally considered TSA compliant, so long as they have scissors, if at all, with an average length less than 4 inches. As such, the Gerber Shard checks this box and can board the plane with you as well. Keychain multi-tool implies, beyond its size, being able to easily attach the multi-tool to your keychain, and we'll see a few different methods for doing so in the guide. Probably the most common is via a carabiner. One of our favorites, the one we've crowned as our best carabiner-style keychain multi-tool, is a CRKT or Columbia River Knife and Tool Pryma by Danish knife maker Jesper Voxnes, designer of other CRKT manufactured creations like the Pilar knife family. This 3.24-inch stonewashed stainless steel carabiner multi-tool offers up a pry bar, a flathead screwdriver, a bottle opener, a multi-wrench, and a glass breaker right here on the end. Voxnes also machined in 2 finger choils for gripping the multi-tool in a manner conducive to using the glass breaker and not damaging your hand in the process. Keychain multi-tools seem to be a natural segue for knife makers, so yet again we have an icon, Kershaw, who offers up an EDC-friendly multi-tool with 8 total functions we dubbed as our best value keychain multi-tool pick, with an MSRP just north of $10. 3.25 inches of matted 3 CR13 steel is sandwiched between black GFN K-texture grip scales, which makes using the tools tangibly ergonomic. And here's what you get: a bottle opener, a cap lifter, a pry bar, 2 screwdriver tips, a wire scraper, and 3 sizes of hex drives at 3/8 of an inch, 7/16 of an inch, and a 1/2 inch. This time, instead of a carabiner, we have a standard black O-ring, so this will attach onto your keychain as you would a ring of keys. You could just as easily remove this one that comes with it and attach it directly onto your ring of existing keys all the same. By definition, classic is something judged over a period of time to be of the highest quality and outstanding of its kind. Does anything come to mind in this arena? You've probably narrowed it down to 2 options, perhaps Leatherman, or maybe you were thinking Victorinox. That's correct. Our best classic keychain multi-tool has to go to the Victorinox Classic SD Swiss Army knife. Hell, they were even the ones who started it all in the late 1800s if you discount the ancient Roman versions dug up by archaeologists. We digress. Since then, Victorinox has amassed quite the catalog of multi-tools fueled by new material innovations and to meet the demands of modern users. However, the classic SD line has persisted, and you really can't get any more traditional than this keychain multi-tool. At just 2.3 inches, the classic SD provides 7 total tools sandwiched between the iconic bright red Celador scales. Here's what you get: a toothpick, scissors, tweezers, a nail file, a screwdriver at 2.5mm, a keyring, and a small blade. By way of a simple O-ring, the classic SD will hang right between your keys, and the 0.7 ounce weight is roughly the same as adding 2 more house keys in terms of weight. As our best overall keychain multi-tool pick and rival to the Leatherman Squirt PS4, the Gerber Dime is a TSA-compliant EDC 12-in-1 multi-tool you can find virtually anywhere for a single Jefferson and some change. The Gerber Dime is a super portable unit with a 2.75 inch length and a featherweight 2.2 ounce total weight, making for seamless integration onto your EDC keychain of choice. Dimensionally, the Dime is most similar to the Leatherman Squirt PS4 or the Leatherman Micra at 2.25 inches and 2.5 inches respectively, both of which stand as the Dime's main competitors. And although it does fall a little short on functionality comparatively, it more than compensates with a price tag of about half compared to its rivals. With a markedly tactical design with torque screws and an all-black anodized finish, it's certainly pleasing on the eyes and would make a great addition to an already blacked out set of everyday carry. As a brief note, what you gain in portability and form factor as an EDC keychain multi-tool, you lose in build quality, so we'd recommend taking it easy on the Dime, reserving it only for smaller tasks. So the obvious and most divisive feature of the Dime is the external bottle opener at the outer edge. If it's carried individually, it becomes a non-issue. When integrated onto a keychain, some users report keys becoming stuck or hung on the loop, but we really haven't run into this yet. Sporting a butterfly deployment, the Gerber Dime provides a set of standard spring-loaded stainless steel pliers with serrations leading up to the needle nose tip, and at the base a set of integrated wire cutters. The Gerber Dime's left side, without the bottle opener, houses some scissors, a medium-sized flathead screwdriver, a small-sized flathead screwdriver, and a file. And on the 180, a retail package opener intended for cutting through plastics, and a 1.5-inch blade. Keychain multi-tools can either be one of the best travel accessory choices you can make, or let's just say a TSA agent's getting an early Christmas present. For travel, you want something sleek, durable, and versatile, and well, compliant. This knocks full-size Leathermans off the list as good as they are. There are a number of TSA-compliant EDC keychain multi-tools to choose from, and among them, the full titanium James brand the Halifax is one of the most useful and the most beautiful. By the minimalist form factor alone, you could probably guess at least a few of its most obvious use cases, like the bottle opener and the flathead and Phillips head combo screwdriver, but you can also use it as a pry bar or a scraper. The James brand has a distinct design language that's most notable among their knife offerings, but even with the EDC accessories they offer, these cues roll over. Case in point, the tiered thumb studs on their knives make an appearance on the Halifax as well. Durability is important for travel, as finding replacements for broken gear on the road is a headache. The Halifax uses billet construction machined from a single block of 6Al4V titanium and uses a hollow frame to easily attach it to an O-ring within a keychain. Leatherman is really the undisputed king of full-size multi-tools. Sure, everything's an arguable statement, but we think most can get behind that. But their catalog isn't limited to full-size multi-tools, and they have a few great pint-sized keychain options, and our favorite for the keychain is the Leatherman Micra. At 2.5 inches in length with a solid uncoated 420HC stainless steel build, the Micra is a no-frills choice that's really what defines most of Leatherman's catalog anyway. There's not much in the way of show, but each one of them ship with purpose-built utility and extremely reliable builds. Here's what the Micra offers: a 420HC knife, spring-assisted scissors, a flat and Phillips head screwdriver, a ruler at 4.7 inches, nail cleaner, tweezers, bottle opener, nail file, medium screwdriver, and an extra small screwdriver. Now, if you weren't counting, that's about 10 total tools. One of the best parts of any multi-tool, let's be honest, are the tiny scissors that they build in. Now, not all are created equal, and in our opinion, the Micra has some of the best scissors built into where the pliers are normally found on any other multi-tool once you open it up. This positioning provides a lot more torque and a lot more grip. The tweezers are also built in as a tool, just like all the other tools, so unlike the ones from Victorinox that will almost always go missing eventually, these guys will stick around. To close out our guide, we're going to showcase one keychain multi-tool for anyone who's willing to shell out extra for a premium unit made of solid titanium. The Big Idea Design TPT is yet another full titanium tool from Big Idea Design that uses premium grade 5 titanium alloy for the 3-inch multi-tool with a dedicated razor blade deployed with a convenient slide lever mechanism. The TPT is deceptive. At first glance, it really only looks like it's a keychain razor blade and nothing else, but it actually builds in more than a half dozen different functions, including a removable pocket clip, a bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, a wide flathead screwdriver, an internal magnet, a 1/4-inch hex bit opening, measurement cues, a mini pry bar, a scraper edge, and a universal wrench of 15 different SAE and metric socket sizes. The most obvious tool is the razor blade, deployable with a single hand via a sliding top lever. It accepts any standard size blade, so feel free to use the ones you have on hand once the unit that ships with the TPT runs dull. To do so, simply unscrew these torque screws on the front face and the pieces will come apart, allowing you to replace the blade. On the end is a 550 paracord lanyard tethered to the keyring opening, so attaching the TPT, or titanium pocket tool if you haven't figured that out already, to your keychain is as easy as any of our other keychain multi-tools in this guide. As we said before, the TPT is constructed from a lightweight grade 5 titanium alloy, and the 3-inch total length and increased thickness of this updated version stands at 0.38 inches and still allows the TPT to stay at 1 ounce in hand, the equivalent of about 3.5 average house keys. As always, thanks for making it to the end of our guide and following along as we highlighted our favorite EDC keychain multi-tools. As always, definitely make sure to check out our accompanying editorial guide as well and drop us a line in the comments below if you have any of your favorites we didn't mention here that you think we should check out.